Steel case Tula.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. How's it going, guys? So this video is not about me, but it's about my friend Nameless. So recently, as you saw, we went to the range with our buddy Mike, and he has a pinned mag. And so he's got that stuff dialed in pretty well. He's got a mean arms loader and on his V7 as well as his other arrow rifle, and they look badass. And you saw that I tried it, and it seems to work pretty well for a pinned mag.
put a couple into a clean target. Check out your grouping on it.
This is a V7. This is a Thunder Ranch. I'm gonna shoot this one.
You wanna do it?
Yeah. Oh, jeez. It's like that, right?
Take the rifle up.
Or is it like this?
Yeah, it's like butt in first. But take the rifle up, pick it up.
Yeah.
Point it up like this.
Yeah.
All right, now go in.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay.
Oh, cool.
That's it. So you get used to it. All right, pick one of your targets. How you do.
All right. Now, is the target in the semi-circle thing, or is it at the crosshairs? It's the dot. I got it.
Ooh. Nice. Same spot.
You could see?
It's a V7 LR 2055.
What he said.
It's basically less than 5 pounds.
Oh, you know what? That's pretty easy, man.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe I'll go. Maybe I'll go MA arms.
Make one like that too.
Huh?
I kind of want to make one like that too.
I almost feel like maybe we should.
Just so that I can have a compensator.
Oh!
Compensator makes.
Mike, this is very sharp, bro.
Thank you.
I mean, I could see that. I mean, it's very clear, you know, easy to spot. Damn. Jesus Christ.
Will you give us a warning, please?
That 308 is devastating.
I personally will still keep the detachable mag option. I don't really mind the Thorson stock to keep it New York State compliant, and I have a detachable mag. But my friend Nameless, he wanted to try one of his several rifles and convert that from a featureless rifle to a pin mag. But because he had a pin and welded fake suppressor on the end, he couldn't remove that barrel from the upper. He couldn't remove that suppressor from his original barrel, so he had to buy a new barrel. Of course, he got another upper on sale too, so he got that. So this is a compilation of the small little video clips that he made converting his FDE Arrow AR-15 featureless rifle to a pinned mag New York State compliant rifle. Enjoy, and thanks to Nameless for his excellent work. I think it looks badass.
Took the pin out, so no pin in the BCG. I'm gonna try 2 different ones, obviously. We're gonna do the brass and the shitty Tulas. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna start with the brass. I got my mag in. Let's see how you do this again. Put this in here. Press all the, ooh, pretty smooth. Let's see if it checks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, cycle's perfect. Now let's try the Tula. A little harder to go in, but not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. 7, 8, 9, 10. A little stickier with the steel, but overall, not bad. So I found a company called Arm or Ally. I find that their prices are the best for these muzzle brakes. I really like them. I use it on my 308 also. This is the 5.56-223 version. Normally they're about, I don't know, $87 or something like that. Arm Ally sells it for $47.99, I believe. And yeah, it's great. They ship fast. They're a veterans-owned company, and happy with it. I also got this the Aero Precision Melanite mid-length gas tube from Armor Ally. I believe it was like, I don't know, 15, 16 bucks or something like that. And this adjustable gas block that I really like. I have it on my Radiant also, Superlative Arms. And I got this from Lead and Steel. I never ordered from them before, first time. They had it for $10 cheaper than anywhere else I can find. And that came in at $79 versus $89 elsewhere. 625 diameter since I ordered the Faxon pencil profile, 14.5 inch. So in anticipation for my arrival of the mag block, I went ahead and I took apart my featureless lower, and I reinstalled, or rather I installed this Reptilia grip, and I put the springs back into the stock, and it is now fully adjustable. All we need now is for the mag block to come so I can install it and put all the other toys together, and we'll see how it turns out. Another box came in just now, and I don't even know what it's in here, so let's see, let's open it up and see. I ordered from so many places just because I went and found the best prices for each part. Oh, this is from AR-15 discount. Okay, so I got two. Let's see. Packing is good. I got two of the mean loader. All right. Everywhere else was $39 a piece, and they sell it for $29 a piece. So I had to go with them. And since I was ordering from them anyway, I got a new handguard to go with the new build. I'm not gonna take off the old one. Let's see what this looks like. Keeping with the FDE theme, I got this bronze one. It's nice, 12-inch. dust cover from Strike Industries. I like them. And that's it now. So I got this in from Midway USA today. They're one of the few places that I found that they carry this Lancer 1020 mag, meaning it's size of a 20, but it fits a 10 as per New York State compliant. Says it right there, it's a smoke. Let's see, I'll open it up. You can see through it. So if there's any jam, I guess I can see it. It's a hybrid. It's metal lip and polymer body. And I love the size, so we'll see. Okay. This is a blem. Let's see if we can find any blems. Blem? I don't see any blems. Oh, there it is. Wow, I can actually find a blem spot. Usually with Aero Precision's blems, you really can't find any. This one you can. Wow. Okay, I'm still good with that. Cool.
Okay, so today is a good day. Everything came in, and we're ready to assemble. We have our 14.5 inch Faxon pencil profile barrel. We have, what else came in today? I don't know, everything came in today. I even got the, we even got the forward hand grip here because it will be legal now. The important part, the AR fixed mag from Cross Armory. My buddy uses this and he says it's really good, so I believe him. I'm gonna give it a try. All right, instead of boring you guys with what you already know and how to put everything together, we're just gonna snap our finger and make it go together. There you have it. Looking good, looking good. I'm pleased at how this turned out. Only thing I need to do now is pin and weld the muzzle brake in there to make it legal, and then I'm set, man. See you guys at the range.
Because the UPS guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Mowers.